Today I'm going to show you how to make this 2S balance tab charger adapter. I use it on my Nitro cars to charge the receiver battery in the car. Here's my charger. So we'll just plug this balance board in real quick. And then I'll show you my done one. So just 4mm male bananas go into your charger. Balance tab goes into the 2-cell port. And the actual end goes to your battery. So then you can just stick out your balance lead from your receiver battery and charge it while not having to take off all these screws and in here to get to your receiver to unplug it. So you can order these on Amazon. I'll post the link below. Thank you Rajay111 for pretty much showing me how to do it. So I'm just gonna pretty much redo it and give it to the world because I think it's awesome. First off is what I do is I pretty much unconnect these so I can slide heat shrink down them first. Then I'm going to strip my plug-ins, my banana. I'll post the link in the description as well. Just need to get it back far enough to solder it on. Cut your about probably a 1/2 inch for your heat shrink. More is better than not enough. We're going to put these on the balance tab extenders before we forget. Then we can just put them back in. And what I do for ease is I just cut a little bit off with my X-Acto knife just so I can tin that little bit of wire there and tin my banana. And better show you the right color. Solder those together, then slide my heat shrink up and over. Gonna tin up the extenders. Doesn't take much because they're small. Tin up the banana. Then from there you're just connecting red to red and black to black. Okay, black to black. Warm up. test them. Then slide your heat shrink up. As you can see, you don't need any really fancy tools. I don't have much tools for soldering. So now we'll just heat shrink it on. And it'll be all done. Heat shrink this tubing down. You can use a lighter or a heat gun. Heat gun seems to do a really good job at cinching it down. And like that, you have your 2-cell balance tab adapter. Make sure you do the male for the charger board and leave the female for your battery.